Jeez, it's really windy out here. Jeez, it's so windy. Wow. I'm riding my bike here and things are happening. Jeez. Alright, I'm just riding my bike here and I notice there's a windstorm, or a dust storm probably rolling in. Ugh, my hair. And I don't know what's happening. I'm doing a vlog, by the way. Jeez, check out that gray sky. Wow. Why did I choose to ride my bike on this momentous occasion? Ugh, because it's so flippin' windy. Ah, jeez. Okay, I'm gonna go to the park. I sure hope nothing happened. BRB. Woo wee! Check out them palm trees. Okay, here I go. Oh, okay. Whoa! Glad that's over. Okay, well, I better take refuge under this tree. All right, I gotta be safe. This is nice. This is real nice. Okay, this is boring. I want to do something fun. I guess I ought to go. If I'm going to be living here, this is probably going to be my next home. For now. I wonder if I can roll down this hill. Probably. Better take that chance. Oh, yeah. I'm fine. Looks like my new home was taken captive by some random people. I guess I can't live there now. Dang it. I must survive. Here, just gotta pull this freaking thing off. I can't. I'm itching. I gotta go to my house. It's too far. I should have brought a jacket, but I don't know. I don't know anymore. It's cold, I'm lonely. It's windy. Well, I'm back home. Another useless vlog. I gotta go take a shower now.